groundbreakers. Fuck it, we crown shakers. Moved us out the margin with writing, that's how we found paper. Hustling nature since we was riding back on the scooter razors. Had no stable footage since then, I've been an earthquaker.
Alright guys, we're at Rome and we're doing a little styling sesh with the shoes. Sarah's picking up some outfits. And here's Sarah.
Hi guys.
She got me matcha. It's on the floor, but it's there. This is the first one. It is so stinky cute. I love the platform. And it's like a checkered style.
It's
about to try on a couple of outfits with the shoes that I picked. These are so comfy and cute. And these are the outfits that she picked and I'm so excited. She has really great style, so I'm excited to put this on. The cardigan is so cute and the dress is Miko.
Oh my god, so cozy.
I feel like a teddy bear.
I love it.
Guys, this sweater is so soft. And look at the loafers. So I just got home from a full day of running errands. I had the privilege to go to a gifting this morning at Rome at their store in Beverly Hills, and my friend actually works there. She was the one who was styling me at the store. So Sarah, if you're watching this, hi, I love you and thank you for having me and thank you for my matcha. And the brand gifted me a pair of shoes and my selection was this super cute and cozy loafers. This is what it looks like. I freaking love how different this looks. I got this in a size 7 and you can totally adjust the strap, and if it feels a little tight, again, it's adjustable. Basically, Sarah styled me in a couple of outfits and we just took some content for their Instagram, and you probably already saw that. But yeah, so this is the pair of shoes I got. I don't know if I'm going to be bringing this with me to New York, but I will be wearing this a lot this season. While we're talking about shoes, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys these two new pairs. I'm actually working with Zappos and I was able to pick 2 shoes to feature in my content. So it will be an Instagram reel and then also a couple of Instagram stories. So the first one I got is actually a pair of Hoka's. I have 2 of the Bondi 8 already, but I didn't have this color. Is this the Bondi 8? I'm pretty sure this is the Bondi 8. Yeah, I have 2 of the Bondi 8 already and they're honestly so comfortable. So I wanted to get another colorway and I got it in this like pink salmon color. Look how gorgeous it is. The other selection is from Steve Madden and I can't remember what I got. Picked up this gorgeous taupe suede boot. You guys, I wish you can freaking feel this in person. I got this in a size 8 because when it comes to boots, I always have to size up because I like wearing thick socks with them. And I am so excited for this, you guys. I'm so excited. Definitely go on my Instagram. Oh, thank God I got the size 8, you guys. There's definitely still room, but if I wear like thick socks, it's gonna be perfect. Wait, these are so cute. They also have this in a black one, but I love me a good taupe color. This is gorgeous. From Amazon, I actually placed 2 orders. The first one is a super cute reading glasses. Not really reading glasses, it's more of like a blue light glass, but I love the shape of it. And I got it in this like deep wine red color. And I feel like it just complements my face shape because like I have a very round, slightly oblong shape, is that what it is? But I feel like this is like so cute. Like just imagine me working in a cafe, doing my own thing. But yeah, they're so cute and they had so many colors of this style, but I wanted the deep wine red. It is just so freaking good. And it came with this little dust bag. And then I also got this oversized hoodie. So I got this in a size extra large because I love me a good boyfriend fit hoodie. I definitely could have gotten small, but I love me an oversized fit. They had so many like colors of this one, but I love how like big the hood is. Like this one can completely like cover my face in the plane. If I went to sleep, Like the hood is hoodieing. But yeah, I love it. I will link this down for you guys. Next on the list, I went to Marshall's and I randomly just saw a Coach wallet, and I've been needing another credit card like wallet, like this type of wallet where it's not super thick, but it's just super thin. You can put like your cards in there. And I was honestly so shocked because I'm like, wait, this is like actually legit. This was $35 instead of $60, and I love that it's also like a little chain, and there's a zippered pocket, and then there's 1, 2, and 3 slots for your cards. And I just feel like it was a really good deal, you guys. So I found this at Marshall's, and then I got this 100% cashmere sweater. This was definitely a little bit more on the pricier side just because of the material. Like I looked at the little tag on the inside and it says 100% cashmere, so I definitely paid the price for the quality. But honestly, that's what I'm trying to be more mindful of when buying like clothing pieces. I try not to spend a lot of money or money at all on polyester, but I just like really love how it fits on me. I wouldn't wear it with this specific wash of jeans. Like I do it with a darker wash, but I just like love how it fits. I got this in a size extra small, and the pockets are so stinking cute. And I think it would look really good with dark wash jeans that kind of flare or that's just straight, and then the pair of boots that I just showed you guys. I think it would be a killer outfit. And then I also got this sweater. It's like a light brown, and I just like love how structured like the collar is. I'm not wearing a bra, but I just like really love how it sits on my neckline. Like I just find that super clean and sophisticated, and I don't know, it just makes me feel mature. I wouldn't wear it with these jeans. I'd wear it with like a dark wash pair of jeans, honestly. So yeah, I also got this bag from there like a couple weeks ago, and I know that this is like a dupe for the Freja NYC bag, but I really want the brown one, and I haven't found them at TJ Maxx. I don't know if it's gonna come out, so I don't know if this brand, like this brand that duped it, is gonna come out with a dark brown color, but I'm definitely adding that on my list because this bag is so cute. But like the dark brown looks so pretty online. Alright guys, we're at Kate Somerville and we're getting a facial. This is our face facial of the year. Here's the setup. Shout out to CLDPR for treating me. So exciting. We're gonna change into this. So I'm currently trying on outfits right now for my Zappos campaign, but I just got a package, a really exciting package actually, and I was so shook to find out what it is. And it is from Sony. This is like one of the packages they actually sent. I received 2 packages. The other one's outside. It's kind of heavy, but I'll show you guys a picture. But they sent over like this huge speakers, you guys, and I looked at the price and it was like nearly $400. So I have it outside. It's too heavy to bring inside, but they also sent over this other one. Like it's from Sony Electronics, you guys. We have the WH-1000X-M5. I actually have the M4 one, but this is the newer version, and this is in the color smoky pink. It is so stinking beautiful, you guys. It's kind of like a darker shade of my nails, honestly, but they're like kind of in the same family. And I actually saw this on TikTok. Like a lot of the girlies were unboxing this, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. But there was no need for me to get a new headphones because my Sony one, like the gray one, the generation before this, still works. Like honestly still works really well, and I didn't want to spend like $400, $400, and they just sent me the new one. And then they also sent over the Sony Linkbud Fit. I believe these are also noise canceling, and they sent the color black. But if you're like, I kind of want to change up the color just a little bit, or if you don't want to commit to like a bold color right from the start, you can get the Linkbud air fitting supporters. They have so many different colors. They sent me a green one and then also this baby blue one, so then I can interchange this color or like dress it up just a bit. And not only that, but they also sent a little case for it, and I have it in the pink, not pink, I have it in the green and then the blue one.